Morning, class 10 students. Today in this subject, I am going to teach federalism in Nepal from unit 1. And at first, its concept, and after that, importance. Similarly, the basis for the federalism we will discuss in this chapter today in this class. So, according to that, the first is the concept. Federalism is a system in which the country is divided into the different autonomous states or the provinces along with the federal or central government. Similarly, it was introduced in our country by 2065 BS just 15th, and after that in our country in 2072 BS Assos third. The Constitution of Nepal 2072 had been implemented. So according to it, or this constitution in our country, the 7 states or the provinces have been created or the made also we can say. So federalism is required in our country because for the overall development of the country. Though according to the concept of development, country was divided into 5 development regions in previous also by 2037 BS, but that was not enough to develop our country. That's why it is felt the needs or the necessity of the federalism in our country. So on the basis of that, federalism implemented in our country. Got it? Similarly, now its importance, it is important for the overall development of the human beings as well as of the nation also. As I said a bit earlier that our country already had been divided into the 5 development regions, but that was not enough to develop the country. And that could not complete the different ongoing projects also or the development projects also. That's why it is felt necessary to develop the all corners of the country. That's why federalism had been implemented in our country since 2065 just 15th, and after that the federalism is going on in our country. So according to that, 7 provinces, 7 states along with the federal of the central government is going on. Now its basis for the federalism. What are the bases for to establish or to implement the federalism in the country or in any one country also we can say. First is the geographical identity or resources also. What kinds of resources are available and what kinds of geographical identity is there in the concerned states or the provinces, such as Mount Everest is there. Similarly, the other rivers also are there. On the basis of the river, actually Gandaki region of the Gandaki state or the provision already have been named that, and even Lumbini is there. On the basis of these also we can name the states or the provinces. Next is that the ethnicity of the caste. Different castes are living in our country. Different ethnicity are living in our country. On the basis of those ethnicity of the caste, which are in the prominent peoples of the caste of the ethnicities are there. On the basis of that also we can divide the states or the provinces. Similarly, the mixed form of the both, either on the basis of geographical identity or the resources or the ethnicity or caste. On the both or the mixed form of that also we can form or the set states or the provinces.